I'm building a couple of ChukRaks today, and I just thought I'd show the progression. This was one of the first prototypes I had made. This is version 0. This is made of nylon, 3D printed. If you're not familiar with 3D printing, what's going on is there's like a shell, and inside is this truss-like lattice of printed material that gives it more strength without having to print it as solid plastic. So that's what's going on inside of these when you see them like that. So this was the first one. You notice all the edges are square. It was just a proof of concept, make sure everything fit, went in my tool bag, etc. This was version 2, which was the original production run of these was for like a group buy organized on Reddit. Did a little bit of work to ease all the edges, except the bottom where it's flat. And I produced like about 80 of these over the course of a year and sold them off. At that point, all Milwaukee. Then more recently, this was the second production version, again with the eased edges. Here we introduced these screw holes for mounting stealth mount pack out feet so that you could slip this into the pack out receptors anywhere in their system where you use those kinds of receptors. You can hang your ChukRak and continue to have our branding name there. And now I'm just introducing our third production version. We've moved to a different material. These are made out of PETG polyethylene, which is a good, strong plastic without doing the nylon, which is a little bit more difficult to print. This new batch, we're using something that's called Tough PLA, which my printer tells me should be as strong or stronger than the PETG. However, it has a lower melting point, so you don't want to leave it in the hot car, hot truck. Could soften up. But now you'll see there's like a little bit of a part tray on the top. So if you are looking for a place to put a screw or something where it's not going to roll off and disappear on you on the floor, there's a little spot on the top where you can do that. Bottom now has the patent number, and we still have our holes for the stealth mounts. And yeah, so these are in production now, and all ChukRak orders now will be shipping with this new piece. We've built a new 3D model that we're working with a solids modeler versus a surface model, so you notice that the curves now are all not faceted but absolutely smooth, and the whole piece just has a much smoother, more refined appearance. Okay, thanks for watching.